Hi, I'm Malhar. I'll be answering some questions about DILR. Can you share your strategy for solving data interpretation sets effectively? Choose 1 to 2 sets and try solving them accurately. If you can, then move on to the tougher questions. Remember, the questions that are hard for you are hard for others as well. What tips do you have for managing time during DILR section, given the challenging nature of the questions? For managing time, I would suggest just try to do those questions which you are sure about. Do not try to spend too much time on a question. Set a predetermined time and solve within that time. Did you have any specific resources, books or websites to practice DILR questions? My resources majorly included mock tests which I used to give weekly, and also some PDFs which contained high-level DILR question sets from YouTube. Can you provide insights on how to improve your logical reasoning and data interpretation skills for this section? I would emphasize that practice is essential for both the DILR and the quant section. You need to work through the problems and carefully analyze your errors for a better understanding of the problem-solving skills. How did you maintain a balance between DILR preparation and the other two sections? So for me, I had been preparing for GMAT, which really strengthened my VARC. And as I stated earlier, practice is key for DILR and quant. I used to set up a target for solving questions on a daily basis, and I used to complete that target for both DILR and quant.